read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to identify number 10. How to write it, how to count it. So, let's start. I am a number with a 1 and 0. Who am I? I am number 10. 1, 0, 10. So, let's count. How many ladybirds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is number 10. This is number 10. 10. T-E-N 10. D-E-N 10. Ladybirds. They are on the leaf. Red and black 10 ladybirds. You could count your fingers as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. I hope so. You enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.